Good afternoon everyone. Our today's video is all about feed formulation, pelletizing the feeds, and packing and storing of feeds. First is feed formulation. My chosen feedstuffs to use in my feed formulation are soybean meal, which serves as a rich source of proteins, and also rice bran meal, carbohydrate source or source of energy, and also fish meal, another good source of protein, and corn meal as well, source of lipid, and lastly is the starch, our feed binder. Okay, now let's proceed to our processes or steps or procedures on how to formulate feed. Step 1, we have grinding. Dry ingredients are finely ground until the particles of similar size are achieved. Step 2, screening. After all ingredients or feedstuffs were grinded, screening follows. A number 40 sieve or a nylon net with mesh size of 425 mm is used to sieve or sift the ground ingredients. Step 3, weighing. To gain accurate measurements of feedstuffs, it is important to weigh all the chosen ingredients in a bowl or basin. Step 4, we have mixing. Mix all dry ingredients thoroughly, but vitamins and minerals are mixed separately with the lipid source and later added to the dry mixture to have thorough mixture. Mix again for 5 minutes. Step 5, we have gelatization or cooking. Starch, which serves as our feed binder, should be cooked with water in 50 gram in 200 ml of water for 1 kilogram of feed. The starch is consistently cooked into a jelly-like in a double boiler. Step 6, we have kneading. Our gelatinized starch should be removed from heat and let it cool. After cooling out our gelatinized starch or our gelatinized feed binder, it is added into our dry mixture and mix it for 5 minutes until it forms stiff dough. Now let's proceed to our second video, which is pelletizing the feeds. Step 1, we have pelletizing. We will use meat grinder. Squeeze and pass the dough in meat grinder. The appropriate dough is used for the size of fish or shrimp to be fed for various sizes. Step 2, we have steaming. Spread the pellet feed evenly on the steamer. Then boil the water in a big pot to steam the pellet feeds for 5 minutes. Avoid overcooking because nutrients in pellet feeds may lose and make pellets stick to each other. Step 3, drying and cooling. Use electric fan to air dry our steamed pellets. After that, transfer the air-dried steamed pellets on oven and left overnight there or left for 8 to 12 hours with temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Avoid sun exposure of pellets to prevent any destruction of vitamins and other light-sensitive feed components. Now we will proceed to our video content number 3, which is packing and storing of feeds. Remove the pellets from the oven, then cool it for 30 to 60 minutes. After cooling, cut the pellets according to your desired lengths. After all pellet feeds were all cut, place it now in plastic jars, then cover it properly, then store it in a cool, dry place.